we level? I think we might be. That look level. Right then, thought we'd do a quick forward for this one. We're 6 weeks now about into full-time van life, and need to wrap a video up about how we got rid of our belongings, where to, and some of the things we had to think about before leaving the house. I guess the main sort of topic at first will be how we sold possessions. Yeah, everything. Yeah, how like some of them were quite hard to part with, down to memories and things, and yeah, we'll sort of meander along the way. So I guess first port of call would be that we sold a fair few things on eBay, didn't we?
We did.
So yeah, that was yeah, it was a bit of a money spinner, with its sort of drawbacks as well, having to post things and the messing around involved with that. Yeah, but it's obviously eBay take their cut as well, but at least it puts it out to.
Still made quite a bit of money.
Yeah, we didn't do bad. It puts it out to a wider audience as well, doesn't it? Yeah. So it was quite good. So
yeah.
So we
tatty old leather jacket I sold for £75.
Yeah.
Thanks to a very lovely lady sharing it on a Facebook site.
Yeah.
Which I wouldn't have got anywhere near if it wasn't for her.
Yeah. So yeah, eBay was quite a good one for us, and then also Facebook Marketplace, which yeah, that had its drawbacks too. As if you've sold on Facebook Marketplace before, you'll know a lot of people are tire kickers. They'll message you and they'll say, "Oh yeah, I'll be down after work tonight, and I'll be down when my partner comes home because then I'll have the car." And then you sit
and sit a bit more.
Yeah, we had a fair few tyre kickers, unfortunately. We managed to get some stuff away,
but at the opposite, we had the most fantastic people turn up that have turned into friends as well.
Oh
so
yeah,
that's good.
Yeah, we have. Yeah, one of them, my motorcycle cut off. We wanted £15 for it. It's an old denim, loads of badges on it, and some hand stitched embroidery on the back. We wanted 15, and he came up and stuffed 30 in our hands, and then he bought a few other items off us, and he's a friend now. So and then you know, there's a lady that's she took a lot of glassware off you, weren't they?
Yes.
They're moving out to Bulgaria. We've got an invite to Bulgaria as well, so you know, hopefully these people.
Hi, Michelle.
Well, hopefully these people won't regret meeting us. So yeah, that's a good thing. We did give some stuff away. We went onto like a free cycle site, and I gave some of my garage stuff away. You know, just because I figured it would be hard to sell, but I didn't want to throw it either, so it still has some use to it.
And then friends and family.
Oh yeah, yeah. Some of the bigger items that we had. Some furniture was sold to family, TV, the buffet that we took to my brother's, and then some of the furniture in the house stayed with the new owner, Karen's brother, and then you know, he bought some of the garage equipment that I was going to have to sell. He just bought it as a lot. Like also woodworking tools we got sold as a bulk lot to a neighbour who's a good friend. So yeah, all right, Chris, if he's watching this.
And
so
both
yeah,
our bikes.
Yeah, that was the.
They're the hard things that went.
Yeah, yeah. Both of our bikes went to friends as well. Yours went to Kaz, didn't it?
Yeah.
And mine went to our mate John. So you know, we'll get to see the bikes every now and then when we bump into them. So, but yeah, it was a bit of a tear losing our bikes. I think one of the other hardest things, speaking about things that you bonded to, is things that have got memories attached, whether that be just days out or family, things that have been passed to you, things that just mean a lot for one reason or another. I mean, they've been some of the hardest things to part with. Some have come with us, one or two things. Some have moved on to other family members.
But you really do have to think what's more important.
Yeah,
Keeping something for the memory, which you've already got the memory in any case, or moving into the van and starting a new life.
yeah. So, then we had other things like your car.
Yep. Took it to get valeted or whatever the word is, and the guy from the valeting bit at the garage bought it off me after chasing me home to buy it off me. That was great. So
Sold within an hour, didn't it?
Yes, we were carless very quickly.
Yeah, that was a bit of a hit because we still had tip runs to do when we were using the car for that. We ended up having to use Lilla for doing tip runs, which was that was a bit of a change for the people at the tip. Speaking of like tip runs, we did countless tip runs. We emptied a 2-bedroom house that was stuffed to the brim, and a 5.5 metre square garage that was also stuffed to the brim. We tipped loads, we charitied loads, car loads of things. When they didn't sell, we had to just let go of it in the end and just go, well, we can't hang on anymore.
Tip or charity shop. That's what everything became, tip or charity.
Yeah, we had the grace of a month between finishing work and when we were due to move into the van. Well, 4 weeks exactly, and it was a bit of a rush, I will say. Even though months ahead of things we were trying to lose belongings, it's still harder towards the end. But yeah, we had a full month, and every day there was something involved, either a tip run or a charity run or both, and selling items that people were coming from marketplace and things like that. So a lot. There were busy days.
Very.
So, and then there was the bill side of things, wasn't there?
Yes, I learnt very quickly on that one to just read through your statements, and anything that you don't need to pay out, stop it. Things like, I did lots of charity donations every month, and especially the bigger charities, if you let them know, so that the next occupant of your house isn't getting inundated with letters for you, just let them know that you're moving out and you won't be doing any more donations, and you'll be surprised at how nice the emails are that you get back as well. But yes, the bills as well, if you can let people know, the companies that you're with, quite early, they're very, very helpful and give you advice on how to do your final reads and things like that.
Yeah. So I think that's about it for this real long forward.
Very
I might actually try and edit it down a little bit, and I'll stuff a bit of footage in some of the things we did.
Tea's gone cold.
So I'll do some editing now, and hopefully this will give you some kind of insight into how to reduce your belongings. There's different options. Car boot sales, obviously, we didn't actually run a car boot sale at all. We didn't go to one. We've heard of putting things in your front garden and leaving a note saying to please take it. Lots of different options as far as that goes. Probably other selling sites as well, but we didn't use any of those options. So it's food for thought for people, I guess. Anyway, I shall finish this bit here and do some editing. All right, catch you later, folks.
Bye.
Take care. Today we've been and filled the car up, and then we've done a tip run, and I'm just sorting things out in the garage. There's some more stuff down for a tip. Apparently my lathe's getting picked up maybe in another week. Buyer's coming for that. Someone wants the compressor. Motorbike will be going in the next couple of months. Some stuff's going to be for sale, and then a lot of things are going to be throwing. Certainly not coming with us in the van.
Write your name down. That's up to you.
See you later. See you later, guys. Take care. There we go.
Good. That's it. It's real. We're definitely going.
A lot of books going into some old Pelly cases that I've got. Some to take with us into the van. Some Terry Pratchett ones and some John Sanford ones that she's got to read through. So that's the bookshelf empty. The kitchen table's been sold. Stacks of things to get rid of. Working our way through them. Still got a couple of months at least. Here's Karen, photographing something for Marketplace.
And sneezing because of all the dust.
Put the van up with an air-cooled buffet, and we're just packing it out so that it doesn't move or don't damage itself.
That's better than this down.
No, it needs to be a little bit more just on this hand, that's it.
Right.
Stop it wearing on the handle, and one down this side, that's it. More blankets and stuff than you can shake a stick at. This is one of our bits of furniture that's gonna go to my brother and his missus.
We have arrived.
How you doing?
Yeah. How you doing? Yeah, good. You? Yeah, not too bad, thanks.
Can you see the likeness?
Whoa, look at that! It's got a beard like me. Hello. No, not the camera operator. The thing on the top, the fluffy thing.
Yeah, it's my new fluffy thing.
Hey,
Yeah, hopefully the sound will start getting better.
bet the cat loves that. Hi.
Not seen it yet. Not seen it yet. Beards. Hi Claire.
Hello, Claire.
You got a drink?
Love
Yes,
a drink,
please.
please.
Oh, Helene.
Coffee please.
Chai tea, please.
Chai tea and a coffee, please.
Right then.
Today we've mostly been moving furniture. Whoa.
Actually, I'll get inside.
Alright.
You can cop it at that front bottom bit.
Yeah, I've got that.
We'll walk it away from the van.
A van.
Okay, and down.
Yep.
There we go. Oh, that's that bit.
Whoa, hang on. You're the amateurs. There you go.
Just ash. Yeah.
Yeah. To say the truth, sometimes I couple of snacks here, pal.
Yeah, like that. Let loose of the camera, that's it.
See, that's Claire.
Hello.
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 How are you?
I'm okay.
I'll give you a
Hello.
hug. Can't see that on camera because I haven't turned it round. There you go. Well, he said film stuff, he said, so, you know.
Today we are mostly selling stuff on Marketplace. Got a few tool things that sorted out from the garage. Some guys coming around for a look-see. So, spanners, of Imperial stuff, some metric stuff, taps and dies, and then both my toolboxes. So, a bit too big for the van. Another carload to go to charity. done a few of these runs already. Don't often film them, to be fair. More stuff out of our lives. Okay, well, this is it. We haven't left the house yet, but we're officially moving into the van. Mattress is going today. Another car full. This lot's going to animal charity, and then we've got a boot full for normal charity as well. So this is one of the final things for us to sell is my motorbike, and yeah, we'll say it's one of the hardest things to sell and all. I'm like riding for 40 years and then no bike. So anyway, it's going to a good home. I'll get to see it every now and then. See the tears.
See the non-tears?
Yes. See you later, take care. It's 25 to 10 now. We've had to be out of bed at stupid o'clock to finish emptying the house and ram it all into the van. Still got a charity run to do and take some stuff to my mother's as well. So the new owner's already had the removals van in, and yeah, well, I didn't get to do my tour of the house empty, so we might do that when now the removals have gone. There's already stuff in. It's the main bedroom. Back bedroom. This is it. Took weeks, months of clearing out. I was repainted, so it's all bright for them. Lilla outside, all repainted and already stacked with stuff.
Hello, Chuck.
Oh, hello.
Breathe in.
Yeah, just doing the house tour. I was like, I wanted to do it when it was empty. I had no time, so it's just way too close together for mine.
Hal said he might become a cat person because of Brian.
Say hi, Brian. There's Brian.
Well, I know when
Next door neighbour but
Carl
one.
said they were coming at 7:30, I thought, oh my God. We
Yeah,
are expecting
me
you
too.
At dinner time.
Yeah, and we had the dryer guy come in to pick that up at 7:30.
Yeah.
So
Thank goodness, thank goodness.
there's the new owner of the house. There's the house, and this is us. Ready for our venture into van life. So yeah, this is the start of it. Okay. Right.
Bye.
See you later. Enjoy the house.
Drive safely.
Thank you. Bye. Right.
This is it.
Here we go.
That's us going.
Into van life.
Without crashing into that van before, I believe. Yeah.
Here we go, sunshine.
All those others watching everything go by.
Right.
That's it. We're off, Oliver. Yeah.